Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to add a recovery phone number to your Google account. Start by opening any Google service, Gmail, Google Search, or YouTube. At the top right, tap your profile picture, then choose Manage your Google account. You'll now be in your Google account dashboard. At the top, swipe through the tabs and tap Security. If you're on a computer, the Security section is on the left. Scroll down until you see ways we can verify it's you. Under this section, tap Recovery Phone. If you don't have one added yet, it will say Add Now. Tap it to begin. Type in the phone number you want to use for account recovery. This number will help you reset your password or confirm your identity if you ever get locked out. After entering the number, tap Next. Google will send a 6-digit verification code to the phone you just added. Enter that code to confirm you own the number. Once verified, Google will officially link this phone number to your account. A recovery number helps you reset your password, recover your account if someone tries to access it. Get security alerts. Verify it's really you during sign-in issues. And that's it. Your recovery phone number is now added, and your Google account is much more secure.